Hey guys, today we have something limitless. It's a cup holder. Yes, car cup holder, that's what I received. Well, it looks actually beautiful and modern on the box. So 360 rotating, so you can put it in both sides, and we'll test it with one of these cups and some of these too in a minute. But first, let's just check around. Can hold cups, water bottles, tumblers, sanitizer wipes, mobile phones, tablets, accessories, and more. So adds an extra cup holder, which I truly appreciate it sometimes because I like to keep my big water bottle and my coffee there, and if there's another person in the car, they might have a drink too, so good luck to them. Besides that, there's nothing else to really look at the box itself, so we're gonna crack it open, take a look in there before we go in the car and test it with the cups that it's saying it does. So what's there to lose? Oh, that fake carbon fiber, I love it. Okay, and there's nothing on the box. Okay, box retired, kind of foam pads. I don't know. We'll find out what these are for, but okay, more foam pads, a book. Oh, I'm gonna read. I'm gonna get smart. Okay, let me pull the book out and get some wisdom. I'm gonna put it here on the side, by the way. And here's the item itself. I like the stamping they did, at least. Dual cup station, limitlessinnovations.com, model LIM-DCS-001, made in Chinesium. Okay, the 360 part is actually very true. It spins in all sides and it has kind of that spin stop. Not sure if you can see that. Let me show you microphone. Okay, so that's how it sounds, and the stop part is supposed to come out. Oh, okay. I'll take that. So now, I don't have any cup here, so when we go to the car, we're gonna check that. Why does it have oh, that's the pad, and okay, I got this part. Okay, so the book has, I was told to read the book, and there's page 5 or 6, something like that. Oh yeah, page 6, that's why. Okay, the pads, that's why I was told that. Okay, insert the dual cup station base in the desired cup holder, in the base. If the base fits loosely into the cup holder, add foam pads to the outside of the base for a secure fit. Okay. Now it all makes sense. So these pads go around here if it doesn't fit in my car's cup holders, or if it's loose, which might very likely be, because it has actually quite wide ones. Okay, now I understand more than I did before I opened this box. And guys, you should come with me to the car and let's take a look at it together, shall we? And when you're here, let me see if that fits. Okay, so it has a big one, and a small one. And in the small one, it's definitely too loose. And the big one, there's not even a chance. So I don't know how this would work here, unless it's put maybe this way and this one goes out. But let me put some pads here and see if that fixes anything. These are the sticky pads that we saw earlier. These are the thicker ones, but I'm gonna put a few, probably just all around that. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it should be okay, I guess. We put some pads here, so it should be better, I guess. Oh yeah, look at that. It actually fits like a glove. That is really good, and you can put it in the side. So let's put a scenario. So, for example, this is my regular coffee cup, which usually should fit here. It kind of fits here, not perfect, but it goes in there. And my water bottle, it said water bottles. Now this one is a problem because it never fits here, but this should fit here. Nope. So none of the big ones fit there. The cup and the water bottle, which are quite huge. And let's see how far this one goes to accommodate my water bottle. Oh, look at that. Let me close it. Actually, for kind of emergency, I would say fits. Okay, and it kind of fits. I apologize for the lighting. It's not the best lighting, but it actually fits. And as you see here, it's a pretty good fit. Now let me take this one. This one is huge. It's not a small one. It's one of those good old thermos. Yes, that's my water bottle. Let's see, for example, one of these. Oh, that actually fits perfect. That fits really, really good, especially when it comes to having a big gulp or whatever you might have. Perfect. And looks like with the leftover pads we have, you could add almost like cushions here on the sides. Now you're not gonna be perfect if you're driving in a rough road or something, but it's not bad. It's actually pretty good, and I don't see any problem with it so far. Let me, for example, put my coffee cup here. Oh, so you can fit a coffee cup too, and have coffee cups probably there and there. Now, ideally, you would put this here and let it go this way, but in order for me to fit it there, I don't think I have enough pads to make it wider, because this one is very wide. It's one of those that kind of grabs, and that is not dirt you're seeing there actually, but you cannot clean that. It's just on that rubber, and I'm not gonna bother with it. But the bottom one there's no chance of the water bottle fit in there, or my other bottle, even folded. Nope, unless you take this completely out. In that case, maybe, but what's the purpose of having it if you cannot fit it? Now, sometimes I just go this way, and in this way it fits. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Let me try to put this back in. Okay, that might be something. Let's say, for example, I put my coffee here, I put that one there. Let me open this one for a bigger cup and see how that works. Okay, let me put the thermos in here. Oh, we got something, looks like. So the thermos looks good. So overall, what do I think about it? In my opinion, it gets a 7 out of 10 because of the material. I have suspicions about that. It's not even the same material that the car backside has. These are a bit more sturdy, but in a pinch you can have this, especially if you drive like I do with a hand here all the time anyway. You can save your bottle, even though this bottle usually stays on that seat and coffee just here and there. But I think it's a good product. I cannot say I wouldn't buy it. I already have it, so good luck with that. But it's not something, don't expect it to be kind of a bulletproof thingy. It's not gonna be super sturdy, but it's just sturdy enough. Now if you slam your brakes and something big is here, you might run into a trouble, because that bottle might fly off. As you see, these guards are not the strongest you ever seen, so keep that in mind. But besides that, I think it's a great product. If you can buy one for cheap, you can give it a shot. And with that said, I think that's all I can say about this product, and it's not bad. Just not sponsored, just like I said before, even though it's made by Limitless. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Hope you like this video and hit like and subscribe. Bye!